Hey guys, daily recap for July 11th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we got going on and what we did today. By the way, back to our regular schedule of daily recaps. Just last week I was in Mexico on a semi-vacation. Obviously I was trading every single day, but all the stuff that I did outside of market hours, daily recaps and things like that, kind of just took a week off just so I could have a little bit more time in the sun. But anyways, we're back to normal. Came into the market today. Was leaning a little bit more on the bullish side out the gate, but we did have a head fake to the upside this morning, and we did break the pivot. So what we ended up doing was going after a lot of the Chinese names as well as the tech names on the short. Notice really quickly that there was rotation out of lower quality, higher beta PE names, which caused them to sell off all day. And there was actually rotation back into higher quality, bigger cap names like Microsoft and Apple. So we ended up actually getting into some of the, like I said, Chinese names on the short side, and then some of the higher quality names on the long side on the options. So what did we do on the option side out the gate? We did take some USO puts, the 70 puts, lottos for the week. Veru 15 calls at 75 cents. Those ended up going about 67%, which is a pretty good move there. Airbnb 105 calls, those ones ended up not working. JD 55 calls, those ended up getting about 10% on those, not much. Baba 100 puts, those ended up being about a 60% trade, so not bad there. The Meta 155s, about 30% those. Zoom 105 puts, about 100% on that. Pfizer 55 calls, those ended up going about 15%. Didn't really get much on that. DWAC 40 calls, again, didn't get much on those, about 10%. Coin 50 puts, about 20% on those. Options weren't really moving much today just because the range was pretty tight. We talked about Meta. Microsoft, we took the 270 calls. We got about 77% on those, so not bad. And then there was a few other things that we took that didn't work, like the we tried some 388 calls on SPY. Lottos, those ended up not working. At the end of the day, we did take some 383 puts. We got about 25% on those. Those weren't bad. Tesla 800 call roll. Got a decent little pop on that. We had some GME 140 calls. Again, about 40 cents on those. Took them at 280, 285. Not bad. Well, all in all, on the option side, fairly choppy. I mean, NVIDIA 160 calls, tried those. Those ended up not working. TSM 82 calls. Ended up getting about 15% on those. It was really a scalp day on the option side. The best trades were mainly on the equity, and we did a couple different things there. Right out the gate, we did some Tesla long for about 10 points. We traded it off the lows again for about another 10 points, which was actually was a little bit more, but pretty decent trade on that. So about 22 points in total on Tesla. KSPN about 1.5 points on this one. Traded it to the upside. Basically just trading the flags all day. We had about 3 trades on it. I'm holding a little bit of a piece right now, 1/10 size, to see what happens overnight. Nothing major on that though. UPST, we took this long off the gate for 2 points. It's a nice little scalp on that. mRNA long as well for about 2 points into last day's high. DDOG long off the lows for 2 points and change there. And other than that, we tried some of the SKYX. We scalped that for about 20-30 cents. We had some PLRX short for about 60 cents to the downside. When it did break the EMA support, we took it short, and we got a decent move there. And I believe that's pretty much it. Oh, LYT for 30 cents. Actually, about 40 cents. 37 cents is what we got on it. But other than that, it was pretty, tightly range bound on the equity names. The NTX, we took this short for a point. Baidu, we had about 2 points short on that as well. I'm trying to see some stuff that didn't work. Oh, NVAX long, that one did not work this morning. And I believe that's it. Yeah, equity was pretty high hit rate. The options were, kind of mixed, but we didn't get any really high percentage movers, unfortunately, there. All in all, not a bad day. Okay way to start the week. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I mean, we got the best of what we could get in this type of tape, I think, today. Market, obviously, guys, sitting above some EMA support on the daily. A lot of it came back, retested it. All the indices did, really. I think we're set up for continuation. We got CPI data on Wednesday. You're going to expect some positioning into that. I believe you're probably going to see a flight out of higher beta, lower quality names and into higher quality, lower beta type names before then, and then after that, we'll see what happens. But anyways, that's it, guys. I expect a little bit more range tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, go to spartantrading.com. Free Discord link in the bio as well. And if you want to sign up, you get access to all the alerts, all the the streaming throughout the day. So alerts for options and equity, price targets, entries, exits, ads, all that good stuff. And obviously, I'm answering questions literally the entire day. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow.